How to fix Flash issues in Google Chrome. If you ever get to a website where it's asking you to install Adobe Flash Player, you don't have to install it. When using Chrome, you simply have to add that website to an allowed list. All you have to do is click in the address bar. You can either right-click and click Copy, or you could use Control-C to copy. Then come over to the three dots on the side, click it, choose Settings, scroll to the bottom, choose Advanced Settings, scroll down, find Content Settings and select it, then find Flash and select it. Leave it as Ask First, but right here where it says Allow, we're going to click on the Add button, and I'm going to either right-click and choose Paste, or Control-V and click Add. Once you do that, you can close your tab that you're on, and you can refresh right here, and the letter game or the website should pop up with your students to be able to play the game. Let me know if you have any more questions or need some other tech tutorials. Have a great day.